This is Caitlin from Unit 95.
And this is Maddie from Unit 98.
What is the World Scout Jamboree?
So the World Scout Jamboree is basically a massive camp which this year will be held in West Virginia, and thousands of scouts will be attending.
On the camp you do lots of different things, like lots of different activities, lots of different meetups with people, and you get to make friends with people all over the world. The thing I'm looking forward to the most is socialising and learning about different cultures of people from all over the world.
One thing I'm looking forward to is the Culture Day, where basically we go all around different people's camps from different countries and like have a look what they do in that country.
We're going to be representing Wales by showing people our culture, so our flags, our food and our television like Gavin and Stacey.
On your past camps before this one?
Oh, my favourite camp, oh that's hard. Probably the one we did in Jubilee Fields when we all went in hammocks and like loads of people just fell down. It's really funny in the end.
Mine's probably we went to Boulders one time, we watched the film, it was a good laugh.
Yeah, mine probably when we went to the beach. Yeah.
Which time?
I don't know.
We've been to a lot of beaches.
Yeah, probably like all of the beach ones.
Ah, all of them?
Yeah.
I wish we were going to a beach today actually, in the sun.
Nice.
Yeah. It would be a good DV trek to the beach from here though.
Yeah, definitely.
So, tell me something about what you've enjoyed in all of your scouting career, or maybe one big trip you've been on before World Jam.
So I'm really excited for the World Scout Jamboree because the biggest trip I've done before the Jamboree was to Bruntsea Island, and that was with 30 other people. So it was a really small trip, it's the furthest I've ever been with Scouts. So I'm really excited for the Jamboree, it's so much bigger.
I'm looking forward to it because I really want to see New York. I've never been there before. And the first I've been away with Scouts has been Holland, and that was good.
What did you do in Holland?
We did loads of activities. We went and saw the city, sort of, and then we did loads of activities like rafting. It was really fun.
Yeah, the furthest I've been away was London for and we slept on the HMS Belfast, and I'm really looking forward to New York too because it's just a big city.
So, what else are you looking forward to on the actual Jamboree site?
So it'd probably be meeting new people from different cultures because you know there's 50,000 people going. There's from all over the world, so it's just going to be such a variety of languages, cultures, peoples. It's going to be great. Oh, and food. I love food.
I'm looking forward to meeting new people as well, and also the activities. And then get to interact with new people. It'll be good.
Yeah, I'm agreeing with both of them that it will be nice to meet new people, and to go on activities and to trade stuff with the others contingents that are going.
Less than a month to go now.
Yeah.
3 weeks today.
Yeah.
We'll be in the air.
Are you packed and ready yet?
No.
Well,
I think I've got everything there, so it's just a matter of finding it.
Yeah, same.
Yeah, I think I've got one more thing to buy, but I can't remember what it is.
What's
Well,
the
there we
best
go.
thing and the worst thing about all the coach travel we're going to have?
It's gonna
So
be too
best
warm.
thing is going to be the singing, because why not? If we can sing, why not? Because it keeps the morale high, and I don't know, it kind of speeds up the journey.
I reckon the worst bit's gonna be there's gonna be cramped on the way here.
Or the heat.
Yeah.
That's going to be bad.
Yeah,
There can be
it's gonna be the worst,
60 people.
probably.
So, what are you guys looking forward to most about the World Scout Jamboree?
I'm looking forward to the whole atmosphere of the place because it's going to be great because there's 40,000 scouts in a very small area and it's just going to be really multicultural and cool.
I'd agree with that. I like the idea of meeting all these new people, you know, different cultures, different identities and all that. And the activities and all that, they look proper cool, so I'm pretty gassed to be going on all that.
Yeah, well, I just can't really wait to be meeting new people, because obviously when we're in the queue for stuff like biking or climbing or whatever it is, shopping for food. Fair enough. Yeah, obviously we'll be in a queue with like maybe scouts from, I don't know, Zimbabwe, Germany, Scotland, you know, all the countries, and it'll be really nice to like have a chat with everyone and, you know, get to know different cultures and stuff like that. So
Learn about stuff.
yeah.
Hello, do you want to say what your name is?
My name is Joe.
And what unit are you from?
I am from Unit 96.
Okay, so you've been selected for the World Scout Jamboree.
I have, yeah. Just over a year and a half ago now.
Oh, very nice. What are you most excited for then?
Building up to it, I've changed my mind on a lot of things that I've been excited for. At the start, it was meeting new people, but then it changed to meeting new people and trying new foods, and I just can't think of one particular thing anymore that I'm excited for. It's everything.
Yeah. What activities are you excited for?
I've heard that there's the world's longest zip line, BMX trails, there's climbing walls. Especially though, I'm excited for climbing walls because I'm a big fan of climbing.
Oh, good. Is there anything you're worried about?
Definitely losing things. I lose a lot of things. I've lost my passport before, but I'm getting better. I've tried to bring my passport wherever I go now, so training my brain not to lose it, but I'm getting better at it, but losing things definitely is one of my biggest fears.
Do you think your unit is quite close? Do you think they came together as a team?
Yeah, at the start there was no one really knew each other. It's a bit awkward, but because we've met up loads now, so everyone knows each other, and it's like one big family.
Okay, so what's been your favourite prep activity?
There was one occasion where we had to cook dinner. We had to cook a turkey dinner for all the parents that came, and we were all very tired because we had a late night up till 5 o'clock in the morning last night, but it was very stressful but fun.
Yeah, that sounds really good. Well, thank you very much.
We hope that you like that video. If you want to follow our journey, give us a like on Facebook, a follow on Twitter, or subscribe down below.